All right, ladies and gentlemen, it's Brandon again here at DripWorks. Real quickly here, I'm just going to show you how to install some drip shape, a lateral off of what we just put in. Be sure to have the blue side, the stripe level. You want that facing up every time. You're going to want to measure first. The end of your bed. Go ahead and cut it. Like this here, you want to put in your clip to block it. What you want to do is slide in through the skinniest slot there is on this side first. You want to fold it once, maybe twice. Tuck it into the big end here. And once you put it through, just pull it to tighten it. This stops it from flowing out. Line it up to where you want it. Punch that in like so. Remember, hold it so the stripe's facing up. And go ahead and walk down. And there you have it, folks. For example, what you want to do, as you can see Chris here, what he's doing is either known as hold down sticks. What to do is so any environmental windstorm or anything like that, when the pressure goes through, it's not going to move it around. It will leak right to where you want it.